This is Mosi, a simple, beautiful tea infuser designed to change where you brew and drink loose leaf tea. Brewing your own loose leaf tea at the office, school, or on your commute isn't exactly easy. It takes time, precision, effort, and requires enough tools to fill an entire kitchen drawer. With Mosi, you'll now be able to brew and drink the perfect cup of tea anywhere. Here's how it works. Simply fill the sieve with your favorite tea and secure to the lid. Next, add hot water, attach the lid, and flip upside down for the appropriate steeping time. Finally, flip it right side up and enjoy. Our drinking spout is inspired by ancient Chinese teacups. An homage to their tradition, we've created a multisensory design that encourages chemosensation. This means that you can both smell and taste your tea at the same time. By getting the complex aromas from your tea as you're drinking it, you experience the tea's purest flavors with every sip. The sieve is made of flexible, food-grade silicone that allows you to flip it inside out for quick and easy cleaning. With its convenient flip top, you'll never have to drop everything you're doing just to take a sip. And with the added loop handle, it's easy to carry or clip for added portability. Mosi is double-walled, so it's never too hot to carry, keeps the outside condensation free, and most importantly, it keeps your tea hot or cold for hours on end. The body is made of Tritan, a material carefully chosen because of its clarity, durability, style, and safety. It has the look and feel of glass, can handle extreme temperatures, is dishwasher safe, shatter resistant, and free of all bisphenols like BPA. We've also added slip-free silicone grips to the top and bottom for extra sturdiness. Crafted with the highest quality and safety in mind, and purposely designed around your day, Mosi changes how and where you brew loose leaf tea. For over 2 years, we've been working with experts in industrial design, product engineering, supply chain, and manufacturing. And now, we need your help. Today, we have finalized our design, have prototypes in hand, and are ready to begin production with our manufacturer. Help us bring this project to life by sharing with your friends and family, and back us today.